Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a very good Italian classic meat pasta. This is very simple recipe, delicious and very amazing. So I'm going to share this recipe with you because I love the pasta with meat and it's a classic Italian recipe. So let's get started. First of all, we need some water in a pan. Get the water in a pan and then put on a fire. After putting on a fire, we will add some salt to taste. Add the salt and some olive oil. And now we're gonna start the step number 2, which we have some vegetables. We will chop them very well. Some onions, garlic, and the tomato. Tomatoes we're gonna make puree. So here we go. We're gonna start the step number 2. So first of all, we'll get one pan, and then we will add some cooking oil, which is half cup of cooking oil. Let the oil get a bit warm, and then we will add the pasta in a water because water is very warm now. So put the pasta in a water and now wait this pasta to get cooked. So while our pasta is getting cooked, we will start the step number 2. We will add the onions and the garlic in a cooking oil, and then we will fry them for a while and let them get a brown color. So when they are a bit golden brown, then we will add the meat. Our onions and garlic is a bit brown. Now we will add the meat. Add the meat, and then we will fry the meat, onions and garlic together for a while. Look like our pasta is done. So get the pasta and strain it through the strainer. So we have the pasta. I'm using the brown pasta, but you can use any kind of pasta you have or you like. Our meat is getting very good fried. So after frying, we will add some black pepper, which is 1 teaspoon. You can add more if you want, and then add some salt to taste. You can add as much as you want. I don't know what is your taste is. Now mix for a while. Then we will cover it and we will cook for like 10 minutes on a low medium heat. Remember, the heat should be low, not very high. So after when our ground meat is done cooking, we will mix for a while and then add the tomato paste. Add a cup of tomato paste, and then we will add 1 cup of water. Add the water now, then mix everything very good. Now it's time to add some paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika, but you can add as much as you want it. It's up to you, it's up to your taste. Then we will add some oregano. Oregano and paprika going inside the pan, the sauce we are making. So after that we will add some basil. If you have a basil in your garden, great. If not, then buy it. We will put the basil leaves in the sauce we are making. Now we will mix everything very good. So after mixing well, we will cover it for 10 minutes on a low medium heat. Cook everything very good. Wow, it smells is everywhere. I can smell that. Oh wow, it looks beautiful. It looks delicious. Trust me, the smells is everywhere. Paprika, oregano, basil. Wow, it's just amazing. So well, now it's time to add our pasta. Add the pasta. Yes, this is awesome. Now mix everything very well. This is the key. Mix very good. The sauce we make and the pasta gonna go great together. Okay, well, I mix well. Now we have the pasta. It's the Italian classic, beautiful recipe. Try it and subscribe my channel for the more recipes. Thank you for watching this video. Please take care of yourself.